I can't get Captan anymore. What should I use to replace it for my fruit trees? And this is Steven. He said he has heard it is no longer legal. So let's tackle this first, Joseph. Can't get Captan anymore. What can he do to replace it?
To replace it?
What can he use to replace it?
Well, you know, any good copper-based fungicide, like a copper sulfate, copper hydroxide, they're really good products, and they're readily available.
Yeah.
You can get them just about anywhere.
Yeah. I mean, they're found in some other products. It's something that we do recommend, UT Extension.
Yeah.
You know, using Captan and some of your orchard sprays, fruit tree sprays,
Fruit tree
and things
sprays,
like that.
yeah, that has it.
Yeah, it has it in there. Specifically, some of the products you can use to replace Captan, though, you mentioned, you know, the copper hydroxides, right?
Yeah.
So there's also a couple more, though. I mean, there's Ziram, which you can use, I know, and it's safe for fruit trees. You know, apple scab, peach leaf curl, black rot on grapes, you know, control those. But you can also use Myclobutanil. So Myclobutanil controls those same diseases, right? So those are some that you can use to replace, you know, the Captan, if you like, all right? So let's address this one, Peter, though. He says that he has heard it is no longer legal.
Okay.
Okay, so what have you found out about that?
Well, that's not true.
Okay.
It is legal. In 2024 and into 2025, the EPA is doing its regular review of Captan.
Right.
That's something it does every 15 years for all of the garden product chemicals that we use.
Okay.
So nothing new. But it reviews, it's in the process of being reviewed. Doesn't mean it's illegal.
Right.
Doesn't mean that it's going to be approved either. But probably it will be, because it is a critical fungicide for fruit production.
No doubt.
Both at home and commercially.
That's right.
I did a search. The places, there are some places that don't have it anymore. It says sold out. There are some places that have very limited supplies, but if you look on, I did a Google search for it and it's there. Just, you know, you're gonna have to buy it from a smaller company. You know, Amazon doesn't have it really. Right. So, or is very expensive. So yeah, just do a Google search and look, and you can find it. It's there.
It is there. It's definitely there. Yeah, you can check with your local extension office. They may know. We can get a supply, you know, of Captan, but it is definitely a product that is used in fruit production, right? Because it attacks the fungus, you know, of course, you know, of those fruits, and doesn't allow the, you know, it to continue its life cycle and such. But yeah, it's definitely something that we recommend, you know, for sure. It's a part of any fruit tree spray schedule.
It is.
All right, so read and follow the label. I think you'll be good.